Have you ever felt like the world is falling apart? Floods, fires, war, famine? Social media is filled with doomsday predictions. The question echoes louder than ever. Is the world really coming to an end? Let's break it down not with fear, but with facts. Let's start with the most immediate and pressing threat: climate change. The planet is warming faster than ever before. We've already passed 1°C above pre-industrial levels. Glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, and extreme weather is becoming the new normal. From deadly heat waves in Europe to record-breaking floods in Asia, these aren't just statistics, they're warnings. But here's the truth. Climate change won't destroy Earth in a single day. It's a slow, creeping crisis, and the worst-case scenarios, they can still be avoided if we act fast. We already have the technology. What we need now is the will. Next, let's talk about natural disasters. Supervolcanoes, asteroids, solar flares. These do happen, and yes, they've ended civilizations in the past. The asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. Could something like that happen again? Absolutely. But NASA tracks over 25,000 near-Earth objects, and none are on a collision course right now. Supervolcanoes like Yellowstone erupt maybe once every 100,000 years. And while they could cause global devastation, there's no sign of an imminent eruption. Solar flares? They could knock out satellites or power grids, but not end life on Earth. So yes, the threats exist. But no, none of them are knocking at the door right now. Here's where it gets complicated: humanity itself. Nuclear weapons still exist. In fact, over 12,000 of them are active around the world. The threat of war, especially nuclear war, remains one of our greatest risks. And unlike volcanoes or asteroids, this one is entirely in our hands. Then there's artificial intelligence, a double-edged sword. On one hand, it could cure diseases and solve climate change. On the other, if misused, it could deepen inequality or even spiral out of our control. We're playing with powerful tools, but we're not always ready for the consequences. But here's the part people often miss. Humanity has never been more powerful or more connected. We've landed robots on Mars, mapped the human genome, built machines that can think. We can send messages across the globe in seconds, and organize global action like never before. So no, the world isn't ending, but a chapter might be. The age of business as usual is over. We're standing at a crossroads. One path leads to collapse, the other, to a new kind of civilization. One where we live in harmony with our planet. One where science and compassion guide our choices. One where future generations don't just survive, but thrive. So, is the world coming to an end? No, but the world as we know it might be. And that doesn't have to be a tragedy. It can be the wake-up call we've been waiting for. Let me know in the comments, do you think humanity can change in time? Hit that subscribe button if you want more real talk, real science, and real hope.